What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes, and Merry Christmas, or belated Merry Christmas, or late Merry Christmas, and Happy Boxing Day. This is the day of the days. If you did not receive anything for Christmas that's car related, you get any of those car parts you wanted, Santa Claus did not give it to you. You were not nice. Yeah, rude.
Okay.
But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some Boxing Day shopping. So I'm gonna hit 2 stores, and we got a few things that I have in mind that I want to grab. I got some money for Christmas. I had some money aside. We're putting it together. We're gonna do some shopping. Since I did not get any car parts or what I wanted for Christmas, well, any car parts that I wanted for Christmas, which is kind of difficult for people to buy that really don't know anything about cars. So totally understandable. But if you did get car parts, that is awesome. They took away this whole little Boxing Day travel for you. So we're gonna hit 2 stores. We're gonna buy a few little things. We're gonna buy something for the CSX. I may get something for the 10th gen. It's exciting, it's cool. Let's do some Boxing Day shopping, and let's get into it. It's a very simple video. If you guys like it, like, comment, subscribe. It's all about all that stuff and types of things. Let's get some car parts, and I look tired as shit. Yo, it is not Boxing Day or Christmas unless you get a Tim Hortons card in T-Dot, just saying. So we are here at the first shop. We are at Garage 16. I'm not gonna bring the camera inside. There's people there. Don't know if they want me to record them. We're gonna pick up something for the CSX. I'll show you guys once I grab it. It's exciting, I'm excited to get it. It's a new product kind of on the market that's been redesigned from something old. That's just a little hint until the next clip. So I'll see you guys soon. So we are arriving at shop number 2 here. It is JDM Addiction. So if a lot of you guys ask me where I get a lot of my stuff, and it's either Garage 16, JDM Addiction, or right from the manufacturer. Some things obviously Amazon, eBay, Kijiji as well. So I get a lot of questions, but here in the GTA, JDM Addictions and Garage 16 are the 2 best places. I deal with both of them. They're both great people, great guys, great shops. I'm gonna go in and get some stuff. I will show you guys my haul afterwards and what I'm gonna get. I just want to bring the camera in there and record people who don't want to be recorded and stuff like that, if you guys understand. So give me a minute. The next clip will probably be us driving away with some more goodies. All right, so unfortunately I didn't get anything here. I couldn't find anything that I was looking for, but I am in discussions with doing something to the CSX. You know what, I'll just tell you guys, whatever. So the CSX has a bad 2nd to 3rd synchro, so we're looking at rebuilding all the synchros and getting the Synchrotech carbon synchros rebuild kit, and we may change out some of the gearing, maybe the third gear X, and then maybe 4th, 5th, or 5th, 6th TSX gearing. I'm just doing a little more research. If you guys have any suggestions down below, let me know. What I want to do is basically make the transmission bulletproof, because right now when I go 2nd to 3rd, especially when the transmission oil heats up, it grinds every single time. It's just a little, it's not like a horrible one, but it still does grind. So it's very, very annoying. This is the only issue as of now on the car. So I want to get that fixed hopefully for this year. So we're talking about picking up some gearing sets from Synchrotech, carbon synchros, changing the gearing on the car since I already have everything open, and just getting it bulletproof. So let's go home. I'm gonna show you what I bought, and then hopefully we're excited for the install videos that are coming up. So we are back home. I'm gonna show you what I got. It's not a lot, but it's awesome. It's quality parts, which I'm excited about. So let's check it out. So we picked up the K-Tune valve cover and the hybrid racing fuel rail with the pressure gauge, but I don't have the pressure gauge right here. It's in the bag. I'll show you in a second. The reason I went with that is because the valve cover that we have on the CSX that's powder coated, like I said before, we had to cut the baffle out because you had a lot of sand. So when you powder coat it, sand is left underneath the baffle, so you have to cut it out. Then a lot of people TIG weld it back on and do all that, but I didn't want to do that at a time because I wasn't going supercharged, and it was kind of one of those things where we just cut it and we thought it would have been fine, but after doing a bunch of research and now being supercharged, I want a proper valve cover that's baffled so we can keep all the oil in the proper places. When it wasn't baffled and I had the hybrid cold air intake, I was getting oil into my intake track, so that's why we did the oil catch can. But now I want to do everything proper with the AEM fittings, lines, and all that to a different oil catch can. So we went with the K-Tune because it has everything done. It's ready to go. Basically, you got to take out the gasket from the head and put it on this, and it's pretty much ready to go. We're gonna put it in. It's not gonna be today necessarily, but we're gonna do it. Project show bays on the go. Ain't gonna be anything too crazy, but I just want to be happy when I open it and I don't have to explain to people all the time, yeah, just, you know, built in the garage, it's ugly. I want to have more pride when I pop my bay. You know, it took a lot for me to buy that Supercharger, a lot of saving, a lot of money. So I want to be able to pop it and have pride when I do. So let's show you how the bay looks again. If you guys haven't seen the last videos, then check it out. The K-Tune oil cap's going to be polished, and that's going to be polished. And we do a whole polish look. Then we're going to do the black fuel rail. I'm going to see if I'm going to center feed it. I'm not too sure yet what I'm going to do with that. And then after, I want to powder coat this black as well, and then just clean up the bay, maybe take away the AC line since we're not using the AC line anymore, and maybe relocate the battery to the back and just clean this up a little bit, see if I can do anything, because I know a lot of people, what they do is they get a custom intake pipe and all the wiring ends up underneath, and I just got to do a little more research on that. So this is how it looks. It's not horrible, but it's not the best. This is probably what bothers me the most, so I'm excited I got a fuel rail finally. Gonna change that out, and I'm probably gonna get a bunch of K-Tune fittings and stuff like that, and I don't know, just make it look a little more bling, because this kind of looks pretty ugly. I'm not very proud of it. As you see, we do have a bunch of K-Tune things here. K-Tune, the K-Tuned CNC, and the slave cylinder, and all that. So that is the deal with the bay. So that is what's going on with the engine bay. We got Project Show Bay going. We're trying to make it look good, make it look great. I'm really excited for it because, like I said, the whole rest of the car looks pretty good. Eventually we'll need a paint job. Hopefully we'll have different wheels this season. Don't know. We got to see how things work out. But aside from that, that was our Boxing Day haul. It wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be. I had a few other things that I want to pick up, like I said, the Synchrotech kit and all that. But I got to do a little more research because I may change out some gearing ratios and all that type of stuff. And then this summer, we're going to have a lot more PLV in-car stuff like that with the CSX, just because the CSX didn't get enough love this year because of the whole situation, like I said in the previous videos, how I couldn't pass my emissions and whatnot. So, 10th Gen Civic's still getting some love. We got a few things that we have for it. I have maybe 2 parts installed for this. We have a bunch of for the CSX. This week I'm actually off, so I'm going to be doing a bunch of the installs. I have time to do it. I'm excited. Excited. And yeah, so this is just a little Boxing Day haul, a little update on what's going on. If you guys have any other videos you guys want to see, video ideas, maybe 6-month review on the Civic Si and if I recommend it and stuff like that, and up-to-date mods on the Civic Si, let me know. If not, don't worry about it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Do it once, do it right. Peace out. Have a good Christmas, Boxing Day, New Year's, and all that. Love you guys. Later.